Hey everyone, I'm Fred Rittenauer with Perma USA. Today I want to give you a quick look at our newest innovation, the Perma STAR VARIO Long Range. This system brings long-range wireless communication to our STAR VARIO platform, giving you smarter and safer lubrication management across your entire facility. The STAR VARIO Long Range is designed for single-point lubrication on critical components, bearings, glides, chains, and other high-demand applications. It's especially valuable in industries like mining, aggregate, and heavy manufacturing, where equipment is spread out and uptime is everything. Instead of walking long distances to check every point, you can monitor and manage everything remotely. The system includes a reusable electromechanical drive, an LC cartridge available in multiple sizes, and a battery pack. It delivers up to 109 PSI, so it handles long lines and hard to reach lubrication points without any performance issues. With LoRa wireless technology, the gateway can connect up to 2,000 lubricators and reach a distance of 1.2 miles. All of those systems report into Perma Connect, our online platform where you can see status, change settings, and manage lubrication from one dashboard. This cuts down on maintenance, improves safety, and keeps your equipment running consistently. The STAR VARIO Long Range sends status updates like temperature, fill level, and operating state. It can receive commands like power on, off, setting changes, purge cycles, and schedule adjustments. You get the same functionality as a standard STAR VARIO with the added power of long-range wireless communication. The gateway is ready out of the box with a global 4G SIM card. LED indicators help you with quick diagnostics, and setup is straightforward. The backlit LCD screen makes it easy to set discharge periods in weeks or months, so you can match your service intervals with planned maintenance more efficiently. With centralized remote management, you reduce time in hazardous areas, improve reliability, and get complete visibility of all your lubrication points. It is a smarter, safer way to manage lubrication across your facility. To learn more about the STAR VARIO Long Range and the Perma Connect dashboard, visit permausa.com or contact the team at Livingston Haven.